Hi, I'm Mike. I'm one of the co-founders here at PivIT Global. Every day we get asked, what does PivIT do? How are you different from other IT VARs? We love that question. A couple key differentiators that come to mind that make us different from your normal IT VAR. First, hardware infrastructure. PivIT owns and stocks over 100 million in inventory from leading OEMs: Cisco, Dell, HPE, Aruba, Juniper, Arista, and many more. At the end of the day, we give our clients the ability to get their hands on new and certified IT infrastructure with immediate availability, providing options they simply can't find in the standard VAR channel. Second, PivIT brings a unique strategy when it comes to maintenance. We believe maintenance should solve your problems, not create new ones. Our one-call maintenance offering provides ability to maximize your maintenance while minimizing your OpEx costs. Utilizing a hybrid approach, our customers see the benefits of OEM support and the value of third-party maintenance. Our maintenance team does all the heavy lifting here, determining which items are best left with the OEM support and which are a perfect fit for OneCall, our third-party maintenance offering. So between IT hardware sourcing options with $100 million in inventory and our optimized maintenance strategy, we guarantee PivIT will give you options, empowering you to manage your network on your terms. Ready to have a conversation? Give us a ring, talk to a sales rep, or hit us up at hello@pivotglobal.com.